The rain has eased up for a little while, so it's time to go on a walk in the forest. There are so many chipmunks jumping on all of the logs right back here. And they're yelling at me now. Cheep, 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 cheep. They're so mad. But it's really interesting. I'm hearing a ton of chipmunks. And I've actually seen a few of birds that I have never seen here before. So with the seasons changing like this, I think I'm starting to see some new birds migrating in so that they can grab some food and continue on their way south. So maybe that's why the chipmunks... Oh, there's one right there. Oh, it's drinking off of a leaf. Oh, that's so cute. Did you guys see it? I'm worried if I take my wildlife camera out, he's gonna make a run for it. But he's adorable. And he was drinking the rainwater off of that leaf. Oh, look at him go. He's up in the branches, using all the fallen logs and leaf litter as a little chipmunk highway. Hi, buddy. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. There's an unfamiliar bird call coming from over here. A very soft tweet. Tweet. I've not heard it before. So I'm gonna see if I can find him. You hear that? What are you? A group of northern flickers. I've not seen them here before. I've only seen them in North Carolina. I'm gonna try really hard to get them on camera, but they're so fast. I'm searching the branches for the smallest movement because I have not seen these birds around here before, but I'm finding a ton of familiar faces. Downy woodpeckers, titmice, even some of the red-bellied woodpeckers. But I really want to see if I can find this northern flicker family for you guys. I've never seen a group of them before. Staghorn mushrooms are happy about this weather. Every time. Oh, and it looks like somebody is digging out a new home right there. You can see a baby staghorn on these fallen branches over here. Oh, and a lot of wood chips, so somewhere up above, someone's very busy right now. I absolutely could not find those flickers. They seemed to know when I was coming, and even if they were dozens of feet up in a tree, far away from me, and I just wanted the maximum zoom of one picture of them, they took off. But they had the most interesting sort of call. I've never heard that before, so that was really fun. And I'm going to remember that at least, even if I didn't get a chance to see them. But searching for them, I found a lot of the usual suspects here, and they were beautiful. It was so much fun to see all of them. Well, and we're starting to enter a good new bird area, but even if I don't find anybody else, I'm really glad I came into the forest today. It's beautiful. When I'm birding, I have to move very slowly and keep an eye out for any movement in the leaves, and then wait and see if it's one of the birds that I'm looking for. So far, no luck.